In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in Google Drive. Organizing your digital files is crucial to maintaining an efficient workflow and easy access to all the important documents you need. We'll walk through a series of straightforward steps to get your Google Drive tidied up and easy to navigate. To begin, you'll want to make your way to Google Drive. Open a web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Once there, if you haven't bookmarked it already, you can simply type Google Drive into the search bar for easy access. This will bring up a link to Google Drive. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in Google Drive, you may be prompted to log in, so be sure you're signed into the correct Google account where your files are stored. If you have multiple accounts, ensure that the one you're accessing is your intended account for organization tasks. Now let's create a new folder. On the left-hand side of your Google Drive, you'll notice a colorful plus sign button labeled New. Give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find the option to create a new folder. Click that option, and a dialog box will appear asking you to name your new folder. Spend a moment thinking about how you want to categorize your files, perhaps by project name, date, or file type. Once you've decided on an appropriate folder name, type it in and click Create. This will establish a new folder in your drive, ready to hold all related documents. Now that you have a folder set up, the next step is to decide which files should be placed into this folder. Go back to your My Drive page where all your documents are listed. Browse through your files and locate one that belongs in the new folder you created. Click on the file to select it. You'll be able to tell it's selected when the file is highlighted. Once it's selected, click and hold your mouse button down on the file and drag it over to the newly created folder. You'll notice that, as you drag the file, the folder will highlight to show that it's ready to accept the file. Release the mouse button to drop it in. You'll see the file disappear from its original spot and reappear inside the folder, indicating that the move was successful. Repeat the dragging and dropping process for all the files you want to organize within your new folder. If needed, create multiple folders to categorize different types of files further. These straightforward actions help in keeping your digital space well organized. And there you have it. With a little bit of effort, your Google Drive can go from a chaotic mix of files to a neatly arranged digital workspace that boosts productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical